C3.ai Inc. stock is quite volatile in this post-market session of today, the 31st of May 2023. You can see when the market closed, it's plunged all the way down to 35.46 dollars and gradually moved sideways slightly, and then spiked all the way towards the session high. I mean, this is even higher than what it has ever traded, I believe, $42.5658. So that was, it printed another 52-week high. Let's see, $42.58. So the previous one was okay, 43. So that's not a 52-week high, but in any case, it's close to that sort of level, and we have seen now it has returned. He has pulled back from those heights. Probably the earnings they may be announcing their earnings outcome, something like that, but I'm not exactly sure what's going on right now. But right now, what we can see is that it is currently up. What can we see? What can we see right now that's going on? It's got what we know for sure is that it's trading at $39.70, showing strength and rebounding right now. So there are a lot of fundamental challenges that the company's facing. One of them is that it depends a lot on Baker Hughes, its biggest customer. The bulk of its revenue comes from there. And yesterday or probably today, we also heard that it has now launched a few products on Amazon on AWS. You can see that these are the 4 products it has launched: generative AI production pilot. So this costs around $250,000 a month, and these other ones cost around $500,000 for every 6 months. So it is the sort of thing it is doing to diversify its revenue base, amongst other things. There's a lot of fundamental issues that the folks at Motley Fool have come up with. One of them, some of them include its accounting practices, its use of funds and stuff like that, and stuff like that. Some fundamental issues in that the company has been facing, so who knows? But I don't think market participants are not, they're not phased about that. But what is also certain is that it's pretty much trading like a meme stock as well. It's trading like a meme stock, maybe because of the fact that it's a lot more affordable compared to maybe in Nvidia and some other Nvidia, and indeed the other big players in the market, that is Google, AWS, or Amazon, and Microsoft. So those stocks are not as they're not that affordable. Market participants would like to get their hands on a stock that is probably trading at $38.74. So yes, let's see whether the news, it's supposed to be announcing its earnings outcomes as we record this now, but we haven't seen anything yet. No news has filtered through yet. So this is the piece that the folks at Motley Fool published yesterday. That says that its finances are a mess. Yes, normally it's not making profit. So, but I don't think that's I don't think market participants are shocked about that. I think they probably know very well that it's not making money. But and if the key thing there is that given this floating of its software on AWS, it's a subtle way of answering this question of what will happen when the relationship with Baker Hughes breaks down completely. And indeed as well, the short sellers that Kerrisdale, the short seller at Kerrisdale, one of the things they pointed out was that their relationship with Baker Hughes is deteriorating. So in yeah, like I said, launching this subscription service on AWS is to some extent a way of ensuring that it doesn't it diversifies its revenue base. So yeah, so in any case, we you can see it has plunged back again. You can see plunged all the way down to $35.6. Something is going on there. There's a lot of volatility in this post market session. On its daily chart, you can see the stock is trading above all our projections. Trading above them. So the algos are not projecting anything more. Okay, yes, there's a projection there, but it's also above that. So we have downward projections rather than upper projections for AI stocks. So in the coming sessions, maybe there might be upper projections, but right now this is what we have. Upper projection of okay, it's actually trading below that upper projection of roughly, let's say, what would I be, roughly approximately $40.35. So at some point as well yesterday, it also rose above those projections. So we can say that it has a downward projection of $31.37. So, but in any case, since we don't have that, we can actually manually compute this the projections. So we take this high of this 52-week high of $43.95, 43.95 minus 40.1 minus 40.01. We have 3.94 times 2.618. We have 10.314. We add that to 40.01. So we have manually computed a projection of $50.32. Is that something that can happen? So as of let's see, as of 19th of May, which was around roughly two trading sessions, roughly 10 trading sessions ago, thereabouts, it was trading at $25.13, and has since reached $43 on some fraction. So who knows? It's possible, or may not be possible. So see what you make of AI stock, and let's see, before we round up, let's see whether we can get any news, whether any news has filtered through concerning AI stock, whether its earnings outcomes have reached the market yet. So it's up down 11.42% in this post-market session. Let's refresh again and see whether we can find any news. Earnings call. Okay, let's see. Scheduled today, the 31st. Fourth quarter schedule. Okay, no, nothing yet. Let's see. Okay, so the company has announced revenues. Revenue expected is okay. No, they hasn't reported anything yet. So in any case, we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.